What is short selling? Short selling is one way to make money on the falling price of a stock. It's a simple concept. An investor borrows a stock and sells the stock immediately. After a given time, the investor buys the stock back and returns it to the lender. How does that make money for the investor? Let's look at an example. Investor Bob thinks that company XYZ is overvalued at $100 per share. He predicts XYZ will drop in price. So Bob borrows one share of XYZ from their broker and sells it for the current price of $100. A few weeks later, Bob sees that the stock price of XYZ goes down to $80. Bob decides to buy back one share of XYZ and returns the share to their broker. Bob gets to keep $20 in profit. Sounds like easy money. But what are the risks of short selling? Let's say Bob's prediction was wrong. The share price of company XYZ, instead of dropping, goes up to $200. Now if Bob returns his share, he would have to pay more to buy back the share and end up with a loss of $100. So we see that short selling involves higher risk than traditional investing. When an investor short sells, they can theoretically lose an infinite amount of money as a stock's price can rise forever. For this reason, short selling is not a strategy used by many investors. Short selling does make sense, however, if an investor is sure that a stock is likely to drop in the short term. When successful, short selling can net the investor a nice profit in the short term, as stocks tend to lose value faster than they appreciate. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like or subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to providing helpful videos that keep you informed on everyday things. Thank you for watching.